people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are returning, I love you so much and thank you for coming back to my channel. For you guys who are new, my name is Tayasha, so welcome aboard. And before we get started, please make sure you like, subscribe, and please make sure you share. And when you hit that subscribe button, please make sure you hit that bell right next to it so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Today is my declutter series part 4. We are actually coming to an end. This part of the declutter series is the very last section, and it is going to be my bedroom. It will be 2 parts. So today I am actually going to declutter my dresser. And then there is some laundry that has been sitting for almost, we're just going to say it's some laundry that's been sitting. It's not dirty. It's clean. I don't like folding. Don't judge me. I just don't like to fold laundry. But today I am going to fold my laundry and put it away. I'm also going to be taking out summer clothes and bringing out my fall items and putting away my summertime items, because yes, we have arrived. It is now fall season. This is my very favorite season. This and summertime are my 2 favorite seasons. So question of the day, because I want you guys to interact and engage with me. Some of y'all act like y'all don't hear my questions. I'm not asking questions just to be asking questions. Come on, talk back to me. So my question of the day is, what is your favorite season or seasons? You can have more than one. Mine is fall and summertime. So question of the day, like I said, what is your favorite season or seasons? Please let me know. Comment down below and let me know. And so without further ado, because I'm not going to prolong it, I'm not going to hold you all day. Plus, I got to get it done before the sunlight goes down, because it is almost 6:30 my time. So what we're going to do is, without further ado, guys the end results of what my drawers ended up looking like. This one right here became my workout drawer, so all my workout stuff is in there. See my sports bras, my shirts, and then my workout leggings right there. Then this next drawer is just all my shirts. It is kind of messed up this morning. I got up and had to rifle through looking for shirts. But here's my shirt drawer. That is what my shirts look like. And then down here are all my pajama pants, sweatpants, just regular everyday pajama pants. And then this very last one right here is actually another overflow of pajamas. So these have like the matching pajamas in there, and then some actual just pajama shorts or plain pajama tops are in this one. But that is the finished product of what it looks like. So thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Please do not forget to like,